P0074 Code Diagnostic Guide. Understanding P0074 Trouble Code. Key symptoms of P0074. Common causes of P0074. Diagnosis steps for P0074. Solutions for resolving P0074. Impact of ignoring P0074. Additional resources and references. Agenda. Overview. The P0074 trouble code specifically refers to a problem with the ambient air temperature, AAT, sensor circuit being intermittent or erratic. This sensor measures the outside air temperature and sends this data to the vehicle's engine control module, ECM. The ECM uses this information to optimize engine performance, fuel efficiency, and HVAC system operation. When the circuit is faulty or provides inconsistent signals, it can trigger the P0074 code, causing the check engine light to illuminate and potentially impacting vehicle performance and comfort systems. Understanding P0074 trouble code. Key symptoms of P0074. Symptoms: check engine light on, fluctuating temperature readings, fuel efficiency impact, intermittent sensor behavior, HVAC system malfunction. The ambient air temperature readings fluctuate erratically or show incorrect values, indicating sensor signal problems. Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems may not operate correctly due to incorrect ambient temperature input. The vehicle's check engine light illuminates, signaling a detected issue related to the ambient air temperature sensor circuit. Erratic sensor data can cause the engine to adjust fuel-air mixture improperly, potentially reducing fuel efficiency. The sensor circuit may work erratically or intermittently, causing inconsistent data and triggering trouble codes. Common causes of P0074. Causes: a defective or failing sensor can send erratic or incorrect temperature signals, triggering the P0074 code. Wiring exposed to heat, moisture, or where may become damaged or corroded, causing intermittent sensor signals. Connections that are loose, dirty, or poorly seated disrupt the sensor circuit's communication with the ECM. Faulty ambient air temperature sensor. Damaged or corroded wiring. Loose or poor electrical connections. An ECM that fails to properly interpret or communicate with the sensor can cause this trouble code to appear. Malfunctioning engine control module, ECM. Diagnosis steps for P0074. Diagnosis: scan for codes. Inspect wiring. Test AAT sensor. Check ECM. Use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's computer system, confirming the presence of P0074 and related codes. Visually check wiring harnesses and connectors related to the ambient air temperature sensor for corrosion, damage, or loose connections that could cause intermittent signals. Measure the sensor's resistance and voltage output using a multimeter to verify it matches manufacturer specifications, ensuring sensor functionality. Verify that the engine control module communicates properly with the sensor, checking for software errors or the need for reprogramming to resolve intermittent circuit issues. Diagnostic trouble code report. OBD2 scanner data log. Inspection checklist. Photos of wiring condition. Connector cleaning or repair notes. Sensor resistance and voltage test results. Comparison with spec sheet. Sensor replacement recommendation if faulty. ECM diagnostic report. Software status and update log. Reprogramming or repair plan if needed. Solutions for resolving P0074. Solutions. Swap out the ambient air temperature sensor if tests show it is malfunctioning to restore accurate readings and system performance. Fix or replace any damaged, corroded, or loose wiring and connectors to ensure stable electrical connections for the sensor circuit. Inspect fuses related to the sensor circuit and replace any blown fuses to maintain proper electrical flow. Replace faulty sensor. Repair wiring and connectors. Check and replace fuses. Verify engine control module function and reprogram if necessary to resolve communication issues with the sensor. Inspect and reprogram ECM. Consequences. Failing to address the P0074 trouble code can result in several negative outcomes. The vehicle's HVAC system may malfunction, causing discomfort due to inaccurate ambient temperature readings. Additionally, the engine control module may receive erratic data, which can lead to inefficient fuel management and reduced fuel economy. Over time, unresolved wiring or sensor issues might cause further electrical problems, potentially leading to costly repairs. Prompt diagnosis and repair help maintain vehicle performance and prevent escalating issues. Impact of ignoring P0074. References. Additional resources and references. Official OBD2 Trouble Code Database, comprehensive details on P0074 and related codes. Automotive forums and communities, real-world experiences and troubleshooting tips from mechanics and enthusiasts. Vehicle Service Manual, manufacturer-specific diagnostics and repair procedures for ambient air temperature sensors. YouTube tutorials, step-by-step video guides on testing and replacing the ambient air temperature sensor. Automotive diagnostic tools manufacturer websites, support and firmware updates for OBD2 scanners and related tools.